We are connecting to everyone, the patients, family, healthcare workers, government health centers, government higher institutions, private health centers, NGOs. So किस तरीके से सभी को हम लोग मिल करके how we can make it into a simple format. So this is that population and there are lot of जैसे मॉर्निंग से भी हम लोग के इतने सारे जो डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं, काफी सारे डिस्कशंस हुए कि there are lot of government schemes, there are lot of premier institutes available, एम्स है, PGI है, चंडीगढ़, everything are available, but connect नहीं, there is no connect between them. जो पेरिफेरी में है उनको नहीं मिल रहा, they are not able to get the benefits of the scheme, and those who are like me who is working in the premier institutes, we are just treating that जो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं उनको treat कर रहे हैं. So this NGO जो आप लोग सब जो NGOs हैं, how we with सीमा जागरण मंच और I can they can connect all these things together, that is what we are looking at. So there are what are the challenges and what are the typical NGO system वो भी लो. जैसे हमने सुल्तानपुर में कैंप किया 38,000 के, बट आज मेरे पास कोई डाटा नहीं है. I don't have what has happened to those patients. क्या हुआ 38,000 population में we detected approximately 112 cancers. 112 cancers हमने डिटेक्ट किया in one of the PSU. I just when we are here for PSU, I did a camp in a PSU जहाँ पे हमने 170 tobacco users को हम लोग ने किया था. उसमें 112 had lesions in the oral cavity. But beyond that, we don't know what happened to them. So this is what happens, you know, that एक तो उनको सहायता नहीं मिल रहा, दूसरा अगर हम लोग कर भी रहे हैं तो we don't have any continuity of following up. So this is what we are looking at, कि how to make it as an India scheme, measurable, and then it should be sustainable, technology driven, on the ground, which match the need with solution. It's just not that हम लोग कुछ भी ला करके किसी को कोई भी चीज चाहिए हमने, लेकिन but we are giving whatever we want. And it has to be complemented with the government initiative. Government के बहुत सारे schemes हैं which is not able to reach. So this is where we want to complement with the, and it is integrated with the digital health initiative which government has now started, digital health initiative. उसके साथ how we can actually complement it to them, integrate with them. So this is what we are looking at, creating a health mapping of each village, each Sima village, each place, how we can create a health mapping, and we start with the common problems like diabetes, hypertension, tobacco, cataract, malnutrition, TB and vaccination. So this is the common problem, and हर बंदे का अगर हम लोग each person is taken care, then we do an assessment, and then over a period of time we address all the issues that is required for this person, right? So this is how we are looking at NGOs, ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers, local, the volunteer workers, that is this NGO workers, they are the volunteers. And they do a history of all the residents. Every person in that village is taken care, and उसके साथ में their updates are given on the Swasth platform. That we create a Swasth platform जहाँ पर उनका सारा update होता है. And this workers are again trained, right? We have done this training program. हम उनको train करते हैं, and then they again do the clinical examination so that we know what is the problem that they are facing. उनको क्या दिक्कतें हैं, क्या medical problems हैं, that can be actually assessed and they can be taken care. And this is again updated into the Swasth network program. And then this residents again they can themselves keep on adding कि अपना भी खुद ऐड कर सकते हैं या दूसरों को भी वो लोग ऐड करवा सकते हैं. So this is how we create a health map, and depending upon the health map we have the mobile centers or the border health centers or government or the private health centers which will cater to the needs of that person, right? And these data are again updated into the system. And this we integrate it with the pharmacy, because अभी हम लोग सवेरे भी हम लोग सुन रहे थे कि मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी नहीं है, तो फिर हमारे मेडिसिन भी नहीं मिल रहे. So we can integrate these medicines and also the laboratory test अगर किसको कुछ करना है, that can also be given. And of course we have the support system. We have got a Seema Jagan Manch support system that can work into the integrating that. And this again goes into the cycle that these people keep on updating the program and they have a regular follow-up, right? So this is the how we are looking at कि अभी हमारे कुछ NGOs के साथ मैं बात कर रहा था, we do a camp, but उसके बाद हमारा कोई डाटा नहीं है कि उसके बाद कोई follow-up नहीं. So if we can have some follow-up for this patient on a regular basis, उनको क्या चाहिए, what type of medical facility they require, what type of medical aid they require, what type of medicine they require, and if there is hypertension, we know that this patient will require certain amount of medicines every month. So this we can easily integrate into the system and we can provide that in the world. So this is how we are looking at creating a digital platform, creating a network connected devices, and blood test, laboratory and all this. And this is the platform that we are looking at, where we have got AI code, search and record, profiles and history, messaging, notify, analytics, and just where the health app, family app, health workers app, doctors app, Aabha. So it is integrated with the ABDM. We are aware about the ABDM, that the government initiative, a digital initiative. So we are actually integrating into that, उनके protocol के साथ में how we can connect everything